Welcome students. Today we will continue class 8th chapter 18 water and air pollution. In our last video we have already done about air pollution. Today we will start water pollution. Beta, first of all, what is water pollution? Water becomes dirty when we use it for washing clothes, bathing. This means that we are adding some material to the water which spoil its quality and its change in its smell and color. Whenever some harmful substances like sewage, toxic chemicals, etc. get mixed with water, it becomes polluted. The substances that pollute the water are called water pollutants. ਬੇਟਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ pollute ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ water pollutant ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੰਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਸੀਵੇਜ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੈਮੀਕਲਸ ਨਾਓ ਹਾਊ ਡਜ਼ ਵਾਟਰ ਗੈਟ ਪੋਲਿਊਟਡ How does water get polluted? Ganga is one of the most famous rivers of India. It sustains most of the northern, central, eastern and Indian population. Now millions of people living depend on it for their daily use, needs and livelihood. However, beta thanu pata ho recent study ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ World Wide Fund for Nature found that Ganga is one of the 10th most endangered river in the world due to pollution. Inna pollution level rise ho gaya. For many years we have reached this stage that the towns and cities they are throwing the waste, garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies and many other harmful things directly into the river. In fact, pollution level is so high that the aquatic animals can't survive there. This is the Ganga story which tell us that how much water has been polluted in our country. How does the pollution is caused? Water pollution. Now next is many industries are also main causes. Industries also discharge harmful chemicals into the rivers, streams causing the pollution of water. Example are oil refineries, paper factory, textile and sugar mills and chemical factories. These industries also cause contamination of water. The chemical release include ਜਿਹੜੇ chemical release ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਹ ਚ harmful substances are toxic substance, arsenic, lead, fluorides which are highly toxic for our plants and animals. Their regulation to prevent this, industries are also supposed to treat the waste. Industries ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਣਾ waste treatment ਕਰੇ before discharging into the water. But often no rules are followed. The soil is also affected by the impure water, causing the changes in acidity, growth of worms, etc. These are all the causes of water pollution. Sometimes untreated sewage also thrown directly into the river. It also contain food waste. लोग ठीक है food waste हो गया, detergent waste, microorganisms etc. Water gets contaminated. It may also contain bacteria, virus, ठीक है, parasites, fungus, which may cause harmful diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice. Waterborne diseases are beta. These are waterborne, पानी तो ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Then our next comes what is potable water and water purification. First of all we will see potable water. The water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. You have seen that various physical and chemical processes are there in the sewage treatment. In 7th class we have done full chapter on the sewage treatment plant, that how we can clean the water before discharging it into the river bodies. Similarly, municipal bodies also treat the water before supplying to the household. ठीक है, do you know 25% of world's population is without safe drinking water. इतना water pollute हो गया अपना. Now how we can purify water? This we have already done in our last class. ठीक है, how water is filtered. This is the physical method of removing the impurities. Nowadays we use in our house filters and candle type filters are popular in the household filter. Many household use boiling method. Boiling method use ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਬੇਟਾ safe drinking water ਲਈ, because boiling also kill the germs present in water. By chlorination also water can be purified. It is a chemical method to purify water. This can be done by adding the chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ germs ਸਾਰੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਮਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ water ਦੇ, chlorination ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Now we can think of a creative ideas ਕਿਵੇਂ use ਕਰੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ. Reusing the water used for washing and for other household tasks. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to water the plant. ਬੇਟਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਣੇ ਆ ਵਾਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਬਚਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਗਾਰਡਨ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. These are the ways how we can reuse the water. Pollution is no longer a distinct phenomena. It is affecting the quality of our lives daily. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ affect ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. Unless we all realize our responsibility and start using environment friendly processes, the very survival of our planet is in danger. Danger ch hi life beta. One day water will get extinguished if we will not realize our responsibility to save the water. Now, do you know that while brushing your teeth, leaving the tap running may waste several liters of water? The tap that drips once every second wastes a few thousand liters of water every year. Think about it, all of you. ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸੇਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਦੋਂ ਬਰਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਆਫ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. In school, in hospital, anywhere you see the running tap, close it immediately. That we can save water, we can save our lives. Now how we can, there are some slogans for pollution. Be the part of solution, not of air pollution. Beta, solution we all have to do. Earth loves you and love it back. Join the revolution and stop the pollution. Enjoy nature and recycle water by rainwater harvesting. ठीक है. Which we have done rooftop water harvesting or roadside water harvesting. I have a dream that it is green. ठीक है. Plant more and more trees. Give our children a green future. Nature is life. No nature, no life. ठीक है. Nature the natural sources ਆਪਾਂ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ means we are spoiling our life also. Forever green planet ਬਣਾਓ earth ਨੂੰ. Planting more and more trees. Fresh air, because they gave us, and clean water, deserve it. We created pollution. Beta ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ. We have a debate. Keep the earth green, not grey. We all must pledge to save our very most precious natural source, water, as if we will not save it one day, the life will not be possible on the earth. Thanks for watching. That's all.